Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to NVTQ 2023 batch, today's first part video. As we all know about that, from tomorrow the NVTQ certification examination is scheduled for 2023 batch, and it is on the some of the different date like 6, 7, 8, 9 February. So these videos are very important because I will upload one video and after that second video today only. And today there is a live session on 9:30 p.m. Okay, if you have any queries regarding the NVTQ 2023 batch examination, so you can join live session. Okay, I will cover up all of your queries and you can ask your queries in the live session. Surely I will share live session link soon on my Telegram channel. If you not join yet, just join by the link. Okay, so this video is related to exam mail update important points. As you can see on my screen that you have to complete steps before giving the examination. You have to reset password before giving the examination, important instruction, because at the time of previous year 2022 batch, so many candidates account is blocked because they not reset the one time password, and they face the some of the problems at the time of examination. That's why. Okay, so as you can see on my screen that when I just make video for 2023 batch. Okay, so I also register for the certification round. Okay, so as you can see on my screen that examination link for the certification round. Dear candidate, thank you for your interest in the Infosys certification program. Below are the details of your certification round exam, and this date will be differ. Okay, so like some candidates got the 6th February slot. Okay, some candidates got the 8 9 February. If you not got the exam link, just wait for some time, soon you will got. Okay, so there are important points to note. Please carefully go through the Infosys certification exam guidelines available on the page of NVTQ. Okay, so this is the NVTQ page and this is the examination guideline. We will cover the all guideline. Okay, just wait for some time. These are the mandatory instruction that you must to adhere. Okay, these are the mandatory instruction. You must log into exam link shared above using one time password provided and reset the password at least a day before the examination. Okay, means if your examination is tomorrow, okay, so you have to just reset the password ASAP, as soon as possible. Remember the new password, as you will need to log in on the day of examination. One most important point: if you are found indulging in malpractices at any stage of the program, including but not limited to appearing for an examination multiple time using different or fake credential, you will get disqualified from Infosys certification program and your Infosys job offer will invalidate with immediate effect. Okay, so many candidates say that there are some of the Telegram group. Okay, and in which there are so many candidates that they say that the answers are sharing. Okay, so one important point I have to mention that Infosys team, okay, Infosys team just check all the Telegram group. Okay, and one most important point, there they just said that in the important point that if you are indulging in malpractices at any stage, so they will be disqualified your offer. Okay, so I will suggest, if you prepare very well, okay, so give your examination by your own. Okay, it's very important. Okay, so in case of any queries, please contact your placement officer or write us as nvtq@infosys.com, team NVTQ. Okay, so what are the steps you have to follow? Just go to this link. Okay, and after that, when you just go to this link, okay, and you have to paste your email ID here. Okay, I'm just pasting my email ID here. Okay, and one time password also. Okay, so what is the one time password? Okay, I think the copy paste is disabled. Yes, I am right. YEHYEHCS. Okay, YEHCS. Okay, so CSCBS. I think the YHCBCSCBC. Okay, I think the CS is CBS. Okay, YEHC. Okay, so as you can see on my screen that this type of tab will be open. Okay, so you have to enter your current password. Okay, So when you just enter your current password here, okay, YEHCS, okay, HCSCBS, okay, and you have to enter your new password here according to your preferences. You can just take that, okay, but you have to just mandatory that at least contain at least one uppercase letter, alphabet, lowercase, alphabetical, okay. So this type of condition, you have to just click on accept and proceed, and you have to select not the Europe region, you have to select just rest of the world, okay. We are not belonging from Europe region, okay. So this type of tab will be open, okay, and you can simply log out that, okay. So this step is completed, okay. You have to just do that, and when your examination, like your examination slot is 10 a.m, okay. So on the 10 a.m exact, your examination tab will be open. So this step you have to follow, and this is the examination guidelines for Infosys certification test. I already said in my previous video that you have to just check your system readiness check. These are very important before giving the examination, okay. So in the second part video, I will just tell about the all about the Infosys certification important guidelines. Like, you are all set to go for Infosys certification on the system. All the best. And this is the NFTQ playlist, okay. You have 1 day, 2 day according to your slots, okay. 18 videos are already uploaded, just check that. I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.